Hi, my name is Rebecca Eaton, and welcome to my webpage. I decided to do my website about black cats. I have a black cat of my own. His name is Jack, and he is one of the greatest cats I've ever had. Um, I did find that when owning a black cat, there's a lot of negative stigmatisms about them because people believe that they are bad luck. And I decided to create my webpage to kind of break that stigmatism and show that black cats are great cats to own. So on the first page, I have my About page, which has definition of what a black cat is, and then I have a brief history of black cats and cats in general. If you scroll down, I have another part of the page where it says, what do black cats represent? In the bad luck part, I talk about how black cats started to be known as bad luck, especially during the Salem witch trials when black cats were viewed as being witches' best friends. And this is supposed to be a facts page. I just have to fix it later. But in this page, I have facts about black cats, um, quite a number of them, and then types of black cat breeds. And obviously, there are more types of black cat breeds.